Quack, 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 quack. What a noisy fucker, eh?
No, he does not have a fish.
No,
By the way.
of course not. Just practicing. Gotta practice. Practice, practice, practice. And eventually, wham! Got him.
So, my question is, what are you putting on now?
Dick mate.
Do you have one?
How's it going?